Hey, just doing a showcase or tutorial for my Painter script here. And the purpose of the script is to reload or refresh mesh maps without much hassle, especially when you're using a separate baking software like Marmoset Toolbag. The way you reload mesh maps in Painter by default is not the best, and it can take quite a bit of your time. So I've got this simple project here, and you can grab the script from link in the description, and you should get this file right here. You can extract it, copy the script, go to Painter, Python menu, plugins folder, paste it here, and that pretty much does it for the installation. Now we can go to Python menu again, reload plugins folder, and make sure that the script is enabled, which it is right now. And I don't see any new windows, so I'm gonna go to window menu, views, reloader, and there we have it. I can dock it right here, and let's see. I've got my ID map and opacity map for test here. So we're gonna replace these two with this script. So first thing we wanna do is browse to the folder location, or we can just paste the path. So right now I have like two images, red and blue for ID and opacity, that I wanna replace. So the important thing here is to make sure that we don't have multiple files with same name and different extension. So I'm gonna make sure I don't have any other file with id map underscore whatever the name is dot jpg or pst or whatever else. After that, I'm gonna take the file path here, go to Painter, paste it right here, click on list matches. This is a very important part. Every time you wanna reload the maps, you have to click list matches and then reload. So next thing I want to do, make sure I have both of them ticked, and click on reload. And initially you will see nothing has happened, and to see any change you have to move the camera a bit. So like that, our maps have updated. I can check my ID map as well, so you can see it has updated. Okay, so what if you press reload before clicking on list match? What it's gonna do is it's gonna replace your resource in here, but it's not gonna update in mesh maps. So if you do accidentally do that, just make sure to drag them back here. So that fixes that. And if you want to use the script again, you can list match and then click reload them, and it's gonna update it. Okay, so in case you accidentally close the window here like this, you can get it back from window menu here, and you should get it back. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the script. And if you have any issues or have any questions, you can drop it in the comment section and I'll see what I can do about it. Now the script is not perfect, but it helps a lot, so there's that. I do plan to fix some of the issues with the script in next update. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, and I'll see you later.